Congratulations on your purchase of the Vector Power Meter from Garmin. Today I'm going to take you through a series of short videos on how to install Vector, how to move it from bike to bike, and how to get ready for your first ride. It's a very simple process and we want you to have the confidence to be able to do it yourself. So let's get started. Step one is taking a look at the Vector box and the contents inside. So inside the Vector box you'll see you've got your 2 pedals and 2 pedal pods. The pedals house the force sensors inside the spindle, and your pedal pods are used to power your system as well as to transmit the data over the Ant Plus network. The pedal pods also house your batteries. These are user replaceable 2032 batteries, and each pedal pod has a battery. Inside your center console you have a few items. First is some documentation. A thank you note from Garmin, your quick start manual, and your product safety guide. All of this information is also available online at www.garmin.com/vectorowner. In this site, you'll have all of our documentation as well as any firmware updates or upgrades that are available for Vector owners in the future. Inside the console, you'll see a number of things. An Ant USB stick. This is for wirelessly updating the pedals with firmware updates or upgrades. A set of washers. These are critical to a correct installation of Vector on your bike. We'll talk more about those when we go through the installation video. And your cleats and cleat hardware. So you've got your bolts and washers and your cleats. Vector ships with 6-degree float cleats. 0-degree or fixed float cleats are also available as an accessory. We also recommend that you hang on to your Vector box. It can be a great way to travel with your Vector. If you're going somewhere and renting a bike and you want power on that bike, you can put your Vector pedals and pedal pods into the box, drop it into a travel bag, and you're ready to go. Just a couple tools are needed to install Vector. A pedal wrench, any standard 15mm pedal wrench will do. A set of hex wrenches. You'll need a 3mm and a 4mm for your cleats and your cleat adjustments or your tension of your cleats. And you may need a larger hex wrench for the removal of your existing pedals, depending upon what pedal model you have. And we also recommend some standard grease, and this is for greasing your threads on your cranks as well as the threads on your pedals. So that's all you need. That's the contents of Vector, and these are the tools that you need. Next up, let's go take a look at the bike and what's needed for your particular installation.